Hello students. Today we are going to begin second chapter of economics, money. Man is an intellectual animal. The invention of money is one of the important and fundamental invention out of various inventions in the world. The concept of money has brought about a revolutionary change in the economic life of human beings. Various goods and services are bought and sold with the help of money to satisfy human wants. Modern economy is dependent on money. My dear students, money was created to reduce the difficulties in barter system. Let us discuss about barter system. Barter system refers to exchange of goods for goods. Barter is an alternative method of trading where goods and services are exchanged directly for one another without using money. For example, a farmer may exchange few quantity of wheat for a fish to a fisherman, or a farmer may exchange few quantity of rice for a pair of shoes to a shoemaker. In barter system, there was no common medium of exchange in the economy because goods were exchanged for goods. However, as the transaction increased, inconveniences and difficulties of barter exchange also increased. Let us discuss about the difficulties in barter system. First difficulty is problem of double coincidence of wants. Lack of double coincidence of wants was one of the major difficulty of barter system. For example, person A has banana and he wants pineapple in exchange. And person B has pineapple but he does not want a banana in exchange. He wants cherries. In this case, exchange between person A and B would not take place as their wants do not coincide with each other. In barter system, a seller has to find out a person who wants to buy seller's good and at the same time who must have what the seller wants. This is the main problem of the barter exchange. Second one is lack of common measure value. In barter system, for exchanging goods for goods, there was no standard unit to determine the value of a commodity. Absence of a common denominator in order to express exchange ratios creates many difficulties. For example, it was difficult to compare 2 liters of milk with 2 kilograms of rice. Third one is difficulties in storage of goods. It is necessary to store goods for future consumption. Sometimes, due to perishable nature of certain goods, it was difficult to store them for future. Perishable commodities like milk, eggs, fish, vegetables, etc. were difficult to store. Also, such goods involves costly storage. Fourth difficulty is indivisibility of certain goods. Another problem faced under barter system for exchange of goods was impossibility of subdivision of goods into small parts without loss of their value. For example, if a person has a goat and wants to have 5 kilograms of wheat, then it is too costly to give one goat for 5 kilograms of wheat he requires. Then, to do this transaction, goat has to be divided. But goat cannot be divided or cut into pieces because goat will lose much of its value if it is divided. In this situation, exchange between two commodities is impossible due to indivisible nature of goods. Fifth one is problem of making deferred payments. Now, deferred payments means what? Deferred payment means payment to be made in future. Repayment of loan was difficult due to exchange of commodities. This credit transaction cannot take place because of few reasons. In that, first is the borrower may not be able to arrange goods for exactly same quality at the time of repayment, or there may be conflicts regarding which specific commodity is to be used for repayment, or the commodity to be repaid may lose or gain its value at the time of repayment. So, my dear students, it is very difficult to make deferred payments in the form of goods, and money obviates these difficulties and acts as a convenient unit of value. Thank you.